everyone, I'm Erica Reyes, Library Assistant at the Seguin Public Library, and I'm here to talk to you about an online resource we have available for patrons. It's called Newsbank. Newsbank is an online database where you can access newspapers remotely. You can access it from home or just about anywhere at any time. It's a great resource for just about everyone, from students, including homeschool students, business owners, job seekers, hobbyists, and even genealogists. So if you're interested and want to know more, keep watching and I'll show you how to log in and how to navigate through Newsbank. Now I'm sharing my computer screen with you. Here you can see I'm on the home screen of the online catalog. To begin, we're going to go over here to our right-hand side to log into our account. Here is where we're going to enter your card number, your library card number, enter all those digits, and enter your password. Your password should generally always be your phone number, so we'll go ahead and enter that. It will be different if you change your password, and you can do that anytime. You don't need to enter 830 area code if it's a local number. Now, if it is long distance and it's not 830, go ahead and enter all of the digits. So we're going to log in and we are successful. So we're going to go a little bit down where we see electronic resources here on this left-hand side in orange. And in that section, you're going to see all of the electronic resources that are available to use. I would recommend going through those just so you see what you have available. We're going to go here to Newsbank, just below Morningstar and above Overdrive. So we're going to select Newsbank to get started. It is going to take us to a new tab. It's going to pop that open. And this is the Newsbank home screen. So here you can see the databases. You can enter a keyword, a name, event, a topic to get your search going. If you go down, you're going to see suggested topics, and those topics are grouped by subject, and you can go through those. Here are some quick links right here on this right-hand side. You'll notice the Seguin Gazette's already here for you. The Austin American Statesman, the San Antonio Express News is already here. So we're going to start by clicking on the San Antonio Express News. Here you're going to see the San Antonio Express News. There's three sources. What to look for are the dates. This first one, it says 1990 to current, and that one is available in text-only format. The next one is 2018 to current, and that's only available in an image format, which is new to us. What this is, what it would look like if you received the print edition of the paper, what the image format would be. And then the last one is web edition articles, which is web only source and it's text. So we're going to start by going to the new one, the image format. And it's going to pull it up. So if we scroll down, we're going to see the recent issues. Here are the recent issues. And we're going to be able to browse issues by date. So here you can see the dates that are available. Let's go through March 28th, a Saturday. And so we'll select that date, and it should be able to pull up the San Antonio Express News. And if we go down, we're able to see this newspaper in print. And you can just scroll through and view it all right here. And it does have the images, the text, and the ads. And right here on this right-hand side, you can navigate through the pages and just select one and it'll pull the next page up. And the same thing to view it. One thing I wanted to point out, there is a zoom feature. I am actually able to fit to screen. So there's the whole paper. Zoom in and zoom in. There you can see pretty well the image there. And we'll zoom out, and you can do that if you need to read the text as well. So up here, you can see these toolbars. Right here is the search. To search the page, you can type in a keyword, and it'll highlight every time the word coronavirus was mentioned. And here on this page alone is 7 times. And you can do that for any word, for any text. And so that is one feature you can do here. This other feature, information, it tells you the paper, the location, and the date. You can also cite your newspaper article, And here it gives you the different options to export the citation. It gives you Chicago manual style, the APA, the MLA formats to do those. So if we do the APA, and here it'll show up the citation itself, and you can copy paste that. We'll go over to the email, and you can send it to someone from yourself, and you can attach a message and it'll send that. Now this feature right here is clip. So we can select clip to download or print. Clip this image right here. And so you can select the boundaries, and you can download it as a PDF or save it to your Google Drive. And that is with the clipping tool. Another tool you have here available is print. You can print the full page or select the clip to print. And you can also download here if you would like to do that, and copy the link. So you can copy that link and paste it anywhere. Let's go back to the home screen. Here, I'm going to show you guys the Seguin Gazette. So the Seguin Gazette currently does not allow images. So we'll click on Sunday's paper, the 20th. And so here you can see the articles. What we can do is select the article you want to read or open up and expand. And it tells you the title, the date, the newspaper. So I want to show you this feature. It's a web reader. So if you want to have this read to you, it will read it to you. Let's take a listen.
Dodgin', big things happening in small town. Well, this is my first mayor's message column, and it being my third full week as your mayor, I am going to take liberty and give you an update.
So another thing I want to show you guys is you're also able to navigate through the dates of the paper, the Seguin Gazette. If we scroll down, we can see the whole year here. Let's go back to the home page of Newsbank, and we'll scroll down. I want to show you guys right here. This is the suggested topics. So we'll select books and authors. Let's focus on children's books, and we'll expand that topic a little bit. And so here is the search bar. If you go down, you'll be able to see these articles. Review of children's book, June 22nd, 2010, from Lansing Examiner in Michigan. So these are different articles that have been written. This one's from Chicago of 2011, Magic Tree Bookstore review. And you can always narrow your search down by date. Another thing I want to show you guys is you can do a keyword, let's say public libraries. Public library, we'll go with that. And do search. You want to put it in quotations because you want that exact search to come up, even though it's 2 words. Otherwise, you'll get stuff for public or you'll get stuff for library, but not necessarily public library. Holiday closings close Wednesday through Friday. Here is Abilene Reporter in Texas. And like I said, it'll search everything in those quotation marks. And that's just a search tip. There is more I can show you guys with Newsbank. So right here, there's also source types. There's audio, there's blogs, there's college and university newspaper articles that are available. There's journal articles, magazines, newsletters, transcripts, videos. So there's a lot more on Newsbank that we can, discover and explore. But this is just to get you guys started and get you going. If you are unfamiliar with Newsbank and how to, navigate, this is a good step in the right direction for you guys. If you do have more questions, I recommend you guys just give us a call at 830-401-2422. Send us an email, library@seguintexas.gov. Or you can always come in and we can give you a little tutorial, and you can always reference this Newsbank how-to. And hopefully you guys will take advantage of this service that we have